Hey y'all, Edward the Lego Texan here with another speed build for you. Today we're building set 76216, Lego Marvel's Iron Man Armory. This set features scenes straight out of Iron Man 2, several minifigures as are listed here on the bottom of the box, as part of the Infinity Saga line of Legos, which was expansive, covered several films, and very cool window work here on the cover box. Like I said, lots of minifigures. There's even some cool like in process builds, like the Iron Man suits right here. Includes a very cool looking Whiplash minifig, and War Machine, of course, is in here as well, and Nick Fury, Pepper Potts, and Tony by himself. So this one is going to be built by my daughter completely. I am not hands-on on this one at all, other than this introduction and my review, which we'll see at the end. So let's get to it. Hey y'all, welcome back for my review of set 76216, the Lego Marvel Iron Man Armory. This one was actually built completely by my daughter. I was hands off on this build, so I'm getting to see this, from an outsider's perspective, not from having built it. This is the main build. There are multiple smaller builds in this. I'll show those in a second. This was the main construction of the Armory, 8 individual chambers for slots for all the different Iron Man suits, and a few of which were built for this set. We have, I believe this is the Mark 85 Iron Man suit, and the Mark 35 or 25. I forgot there's several different numbers involved in this set. And storage for some of the different components. There's an extra set of legs down here. That actually goes along with the Mark III suit, which part of it is right here. The torso is right here attached to this table with some blueprints and some nice trans blue panels. The helmet is actually right here on this little table. So this is meant to be like a little workstation for Tony Stark in his armory. From the look, all the minifigures that are involved in this looks like this is straight out of Iron Man 2. There is Nick Fury and Pepper Potts minifigures, and the dead giveaway is the Whiplash minifigure right here with the blue energy little chains here. One thing I do like about this set is the ability to flip up some of the helmets. And this one doesn't do that, but he's got Whiplash's head underneath. His hair changes out too. The hair is right there. But the Iron Man helmets open up to show a face underneath, which I think is actually pretty cool. Instead of just a plain generic helmet that you put over, it's actually got a visor you can lift up just like Iron Man does in all the movies. Nice War Machine minifigure. My daughter positioned him right up here. I think that's pretty neat. Always like Rhodey as a character. Tony's little convertible that he had in Iron Man 2, along with the little art panels he saved from his office. These are all sticker elements right here. As far as sticker elements goes, there's a few in this set. For the artwork here, and the trans panels have some sticker work on them as well. Nice play set. Not much as far as a display piece goes, but as this is not really meant to be a display piece. This is my daughter's Lego set, and she's gonna play with it. So simple as that. She did actually communicate with me and said that she felt that it was lacking a little bit, like it could be connected to something else to make a larger set out of it, although she couldn't quite place her finger on what that was going to be. So that actually concludes my review, because since I didn't build this is just my impressions of the set as afterwards. So that concludes my review for the day. Take care and keep on building. Bye.